back to another Python tutorial. It is the third tutorial of our channel. So welcome to the third Python tutorial. And this time you may be thinking that why I've opened Google Chrome. So let me tell you that my laptop is not good, and it takes time for it to open the PyCharm. So what I'm gonna do is simple online Python compiler. Okay, online Python compiler, here it is, the first one link as always. Okay, so we're I don't like the sample text. Wait, so this time we're just gonna do it in this thing. Okay, I'm not gonna do the PyCharm because it takes so much time to open, as I told. So the video is already 1 minute, so let's start without wasting any time. So as always, the first thing, mm, yeah, I'm Indian. Okay, here it is, namaste. Okay, so let's clear it up. Now what we're going to do is, today we are going to talk about the Python loops and Python functions. Okay, so what are functions? I'll tell you later. And what are loops? Let's get into it right now. So there are two kinds of loops. One is while loop, the second is for loop. Okay, so we're gonna talk about both of them. And the third loop is not a type of loop actually, but it may be considered as a subtype. So that is forever loop, but that is covered in the while loop only. So let's get into it. First, let's discuss the while loop. Okay, so for that we need to make a variable a equals 1. Okay, then a equals int, oh wait, a equals int 1. Okay, so now I'm just gonna test it that is it working or not. uh okay, and let's see. Yeah, done. Okay, so it is working. Now let's edit this. So the while loop is actually the loop in which the loop is taken to that point until the condition becomes true. Okay, so let's continue into it. We'll write while true, no, while a equals uh, a equals 10, no, 11. I want to uh, print it till 10, so we'll write 11. We can also write equal less than equal to, but let it be. No, we can also write, let's write this only, no problem. Then we'll write this thing, so that because it is a function, then we will write print. So until this condition becomes true, this block will be executed. Okay, print, what should we write? Yeah, print a. Okay, now next, then we will increase its value by 1 so that it doesn't go on forever. A plus equal 1. Okay, so done. Now let's check it. Okay. No problem. Maybe this will fix the problem. I don't know. Invalid syntax. File string line 3. Here. Maybe I should remove this. No, I don't think I should remove this. Yeah. Wait. Should I get back to you after some time? No. What should it be? Okay, I'll get back to you after some time. You guys know what? I didn't find a solution anywhere on the internet. I don't know why. I didn't enter this error code. Maybe that's why. But still, let's try to solve this problem ourselves, like a programmer. As my channel name is Two-Way Coder, so let's try to solve it ourselves. So, what is this thing? Nothing. Uh, what should we do? Maybe this thing. No, it doesn't solve the problem. I'll remove this up. I don't need this. This line is causing problem. No, doesn't fix the problem. What should it be? Wait, this arrow is pointing upwards to this thing. This thing. Maybe if I try changing it. Uh, let's see. Yeah, done. We solved the problem ourselves. Okay, so I'm so happy of me. So happy for me. Lol. Uh, now what should we do? Yeah, I told you that I will tell you another type of loop. So let's talk about that. Also, if you want to do this else, so when the statement gets false, it will display this after the statement gets false. The numbers are all done. Okay, let's try this. See, after this condition gets false, then this thing gives that this program gives that the numbers are all done. Okay. mm, okay, so this is all for the while loop. Forever loop I will talk about it later. Then for done. Now let's do another thing. Let's make a set. Okay, so for making a set, what we do is it's very simple. We just write the name of the set A, then we write this. Maybe I don't know, I'm not fully known, it's not fully known by me. A equals AD. Then what we'll do is add another value to it, AC, another value, AB. Okay, so we have made a set. Now let's display this. This thing we will display using the for loop. Okay, so let's do this. For x in A. Okay, done. Now print x. So this x is actually the variable we made here. Okay. Now let's see if it works. See, done. So this set, we printed this set. Okay. Okay, we printed this set. So the for loop is for this thing. Uh, as far as I don't know much about the for loop. I'm not fully known to it, but as much as I know, the for loop is for this. Uh, okay, let's try to print it without the for loop. I don't know if it will work or not. It works like this. Okay, so maybe the for loop is because for printing it in separate lines and only these values. These uh, these these. Okay, if we write simple print A, then it will do like print it like this. If we do the for loop, then it will print in different lines. Okay. Mm, then after that, let's see uh, what I told you next. Yeah, we'll see how to enter functions. Okay, so the functions are made by the functions are defined by def. So def Okay, then we write the name of our function. For demonstration purposes, I am only using a. Then a equals, no, not a equals, it is like this. This is now a function. Okay, now we've created a function, so this function will be like, when we these functions are for what, when we want to write the same thing many times, not many times actually, but many in many places in the program which we write. Then we don't write every time print 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 print. We just type this function and it gets automatically, it gets printed. Okay, so when this function will be called, this will display this message, hello nerds. Okay, or maybe sup nerds. So done. Now we've closed this function. You can see we closed this function. Now what we'll do is, uh, yeah, we will call this function. We will try to call this function. Let's see if it does. See, subnerds. Now don't tell me that this subnerds is because I wrote this. Just let me tell you that if I remove this thing, it will not come. Okay, so it just does like this. When we again display this, here it is, subnerds. If we change the value of it to PS5, then it will see. Okay, so if we want to print the same statement many places in the program, that time the functions are used in Python. Okay, so this video is actually pretty long till now, 8 minutes this video, and the previous video was maybe 5 minutes. So let's end it up. Let's end it up here, and that's it for today. And the next video is coming soon, maybe tomorrow. I'll try my best to upload it tomorrow. Tomorrow is my first class after the exams. My exams got finished tomorrow. Tomorrow is the first class of the next semester. So I'll try my best to upload the video. And till then, stay happy. Thanks. Bye bye.